This easy XP farm takes 10 minutes to set up, will give you over 30 levels super easily, and I'll show you how to build it in this short 2-minute tutorial. Here's what you'll need to build it, and if you want, you can find a world download or schematic down below. The first thing you want to do for this farm is dig out a 3x3 by 2 block deep hole, and then to any one of the 4 sides, doesn't matter which one, you want to extend it out by 3 more blocks. Now in the middle of those 3 blocks, place down a fence gate and open it up, and then place down an armor stand right there. Now coming all the way to the opposite side, break that block and place a bucket of water there, and then you want to place a slab 1/2 block up in the middle, and then go ahead and place a campfire on top of that, and you can temporarily put it out if you'd like. Now place a temporary block on the side, and then place 8 slabs around that center campfire, and then 2 more slabs all the way over here. Now the next thing we need to do is get a zombie inside of this area to make sure that the armadillos are going to curl up and not take damage. Now we can use a name tag to make sure they don't despawn, but the much easier option is with a boat. So for this, go 1 block away from the farm and then dig a 2x2 hole that is 3 blocks deep. Place a boat to the side, wait for it to turn nighttime, and then go ahead and get yourself a zombie. Now get him inside of that boat and then use some buckets of water to push that boat down inside of the hole. Finally, once you have that zombie in the hole, make sure to place some solid blocks above it so the zombie doesn't die to the sunlight. Now for this farm, we do need armadillos, which can be found in a savanna biome. Luckily for you guys, you are only going to need 2 armadillos, and then what you can do is take some spider eyes and breed them to make as many as you want. You can have between 2 and 24 armadillos, and obviously the more you have, the more efficient the farm's going to be. Now, once you have all of your armadillos, let them free and push them all inside of that hole onto the campfire, and they should be curled up because of the zombie that we placed in the boat earlier. Now, the final thing we want to do is place down 4 temporary blocks there and then break that block as well. Place a slab right there, and then you can go ahead and light your campfire and replace that block. There you go, your easy XP farm is now done, and you can get a ton of levels super easily. If you want to see more videos like this, check out the video on your screen right now, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Blaze them, see you out.